Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this YAHEETECH cat tree. So I have a couple of cats and they actually destroyed the last tree that I had, so we could get them another one here. All right, this does have a little string here. I think it's got taped up pretty good here. This is not too heavy, but it does weigh a little bit, so that's a like a 4-tier cat tree here. The instructions, and when the string comes out, it has all our little tools here. Pretty heavy duty. So this is a pretty small box. Let's lay out all our pieces here, and then we get to assembling. These are labeled by number. 18, 18. I think the cats are really going to like this. It's nice soft material here. 23. Bunch of 18s. They got a little scratch post there. 17. Another 18. Number 20. Another 18. 23. I think I had a 23. There's a couple of 23s there. Let's see, a 20. Put that right side up if I can. 21. Little platform here. Number 10. All right, there's number 8. Another number 20. And another 16. 19. 15. And 22. Okay. There's number 11. So this is pretty cool. Look at that. It's a little cat sitting area. It's nice and plush with a cat toy under there. I really think Booger and Thomas are going to like these. There's a couple of 12s. 14. That little cat area to hide in. Nice. Here's 13, which is another little cat box. That's cool. Here's 7. And number 9 right there. So maybe the other one was number 6. Okay, that's it for the box. We'll set that off to the side here. Okay, here we go with the assembly. Let's get our instructions ready. This should be a fun one. Okay, please read the instruction manual carefully before attempting to install. Okay, recommend 2 people. Quite a bit of pieces here. Step 1. Here we go. So step 1, we need 4 our screws going here. I like how it has a little string there, so all our pieces are attached there. Get those out. Okay, so we're going to have 4 number 8s. Now the number 8s or number 4s, 35 millimeters. So they look like our longest ones probably. Maybe I'll set these up like that. These are our most pieces, or those ones I believe. These are all the same size here. And then just a few, just a couple that are different lengths. Most of them are the longer ones here. Okay, so those are going to be our most common ones. We do have an Allen key. And then we need number 14, number 18 times 4. So 14, where are you? There's 6, there's 7, and here is 14. Okay, so we're going to get our little cat tree here. And we're going to put, let's see, number 18s. So these are 18s, and they're going to go in the corners. Looks like either way, up or down. They're going to go in each corner, and we're simply going to tighten these down here. And that's going to hold our little cat tree up, or our little cat area here, and keep it from collapsing. And we're going to screw these in. Okay, these are pretty snug in there. 4 goes, 1 in each corner. All right. And we're going to try to see our holes there if we can. All right, where's the hole? Okay, trying to get it in there. There we go. There's one. I'm just going to hand tighten this, not all the way yet. And then we'll get our other one. So it's got a little bit of, a little tricky to find the hole there because it's hard to see down in the carpet here. Just got to make sure you got it centered in there, and then it should slide down nicely into that. It's a little tricky. Flashlight would make it easier to see, perhaps. Oh, come on. Should slide down a little bit once I get in the hole. There we go. Okay, that's like the hardest part. A little bit of carpet in the way there, so it's a little difficult to see. Oh, that one right in. Just getting better at this, I guess. All right, and we have the other one right here. Yeah, I really think the cats are going to like this one. Nope, I completely missed. Line that up a little bit better. Come on, don't fail me now. There we go. Okay, so we got those 4 in. And before I tighten it all the way, I'm going to get these ones in there first, or next. All right. There we go. Man, those are a little tricky to get in there. Just mainly going by feel here. There's a little bit of carpet over that. It's difficult to see. Shouldn't be. Oh, there we go. That's why you don't want to tighten down the bottom ones or the other ones too much first, or else you won't be able to move this one around in there. Just moving that little pillar around number 18 until it's kind of situated. You can feel the screw like drop down in there. And then we'll just screw it in there like that. All right, last one going here. Just kind of almost feel like right where it's going. There we go. And drops down. Then we can tighten it up nicely. Okay, where's my Allen key? There it is. Snug that one right on there. Some nice soft. Cats should appreciate this, I hope. I'll be bringing them out to play with it when I'm done here. I think they're really gonna like it. My two cats, one is called Thomas, and the other one, we call him Booger, or Boogie, because when he was younger, he had a little nose infection, and he was like, his little nose was always bleeding, all stuffed up all the time, so called him Boogie, Booger. He's a really good cat, but they're completely different. Thomas is orange, and he's short-haired, and he's very, very lovable. And he comes when he's called, and he'll follow you around and stuff, and doesn't like to be held. And Booger is completely the opposite. He won't come when he's called usually, and he won't follow you when you tell him to, but he'll jump up on you. He loves to be held, and he's got long hair, and he's like, I don't know, they're just funny. They couldn't be more opposite, but they're like the best friends. So, all right, that is cool. One little house right there. They're gonna love going in there. I know that. Okay, step 2 is with number 13, and we're gonna pretty much do the same thing here. I believe is get our 18s and our 4s, and we're gonna lock those into the corners, just like the other one there. Get 4 of these 18s, straighten them out, and into the corners they go. I know like Booger really likes hiding. He'll go in any box that we have, and he'll go in there and poke his little head out and stuff. He's really going to enjoy this. I know. Look at that little cat box there. That's going to be really fun for him. Okay. Now we just got to find our holes again. I'm getting good at this. That one went right in. All right. Next one. Right. Oh, that was really quick there. Must be getting good at it. There's another one already. I did like 3. Oh, there's another one. Did 4 in the time it took me to do like 1 last time. It might be a little bit more difficult because we have the carpet on top. Yep, can't. Oh, that was it. We're in. We are doing good, my friends. We are doing good this time. Don't fail me now. I'm just kind of pushing a little bit on the top while I move it around. There we go. We have 2 more to go. Another. Yeah, 1 more. I feel like that one's really close. There we are. Just drops in once you move it into the right spot. And man, we knocked this one out really quickly. Tighten that one down with our Allen key. And these are going into metal screws, so we can snug them down pretty good there. Make sure it's nice and snug. Seems pretty heavy duty here. And this is a good sized cat tree here. The box is so small, I didn't think it was going to be as big as it is. I was like, how are they going to make it like that? But It is looking nice here. I'll just get this mostly tightened down with my thinner part here. Then I'll switch to the longer one just to tighten it up. I know Booger's gonna have fun with that. It's got a pretty good nylon cord on there, but they're pretty tough. Their cats fight pretty rough sometimes, so we'll see how long that little pom-pom on there lasts. All right, there's that. It's 13. And tighten this one down there. Okay, we got that one, and we got that one. I know they're gonna have a lot of fun in that. Okay, so our next step. Here we go, step number 3. And we're gonna take number 7. Okay. Number 7, make sure I didn't turn my microphone off there. Okay, so number 7, it's going to be face carpet down or carpet up. That's the question. I'm going to say carpet up. And then we're going to have 23, 23, and 15. So here is 15 and 23 and 23. So we have this, and looks like we got ours in the corners. Okay, so I'm going to just set it up just like it is in the instructions. Let's see. In instructions, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be just like this. 1, 2, 3. And then 3 number 4s. So what we're going to do is, let's see. I'm going to poke the screw through there first, and that's going to make it easier for me to get these ones on there. So this one's going to be 15's back here, or closest to you guys, and hopefully I'm going to get that going on there. Okay, and then 23. Okay, and then we're going to go our other one right here, 23. All right, these are quite a bit easier. I'm just putting my finger down on the bottom to create some pressure on the screw, then I can just screw these down by hand. Okay, that's good. Just push your finger and push it onto the bottom of that. You just rotate these. That's nice. Okay, get one more here. 15, 15, and yeah. Okay, that is solid. Next, we have this. This is step 4. We're going to take number 16. I'm sorry, that is number 6. It's number 6. And then we have, let's see, number 6 and number 10. Here's number 10. It's got a little kitty ladder here. That's cool. And then it has 2 of these. So these are going to go on the bottom. This is 2 4 number 2s. So these are shorter screws. And just screw those in there. Oh, come on. There we go. And once again, hand tighten most of the way down, but leave a little bit of slack just so we can make sure this fits on there nicely. Okay, and that is going to go onto this just like that. We'll move that carpet out of the way a little bit so it doesn't block our hole. I'm going to tighten these down. That's a cool little kitty ramp to climb up onto. They are really going to love this. I have a feeling that the cats are going to be pretty crazy about this. There's that. Okay. I'm just going to tighten that just a little bit with the long end just to make sure nice and snug. This is actually really sturdy feeling. Okay. It's going to be like that. Okay, so we take these. Step 4 is going to be, that was step 4. This is going to be step 5, where we just attach this to our lower portion there. And this is going to be easy to line up. Find the hole. And then simply put it down in there. There we go. Make sure you get them all in the hole first before you tighten them up. And once again, just hand tightening these most of the way, and then just finish it off with the Allen key. Oh yeah, that is nice. Okay. Let's see here. Now it says there's number 5. Okay, so that's going to be nice and snug there. And this says it's only for cats, but I feel like I could almost play on this thing. It's pretty sturdy. Okay. Solid. Okay, we're going to take number 14. And that's going to go on here. And that's attached with this number 5. So let's see. That's going to go like that. And we're going to go in from underneath. And there's going to be that hole right there. We're going to attach to that. So probably the easiest way is to get our screw in there first. And then lower this down on top of that. There we go. And just tighten that on there. That went on there really nice. And then we can use my Allen key. Snug that one down on there. There we go. I can't wait to see the cats playing on this one. Okay. That is really cool. They're going to love going in there and playing on that. Next step, we have step number 6. All right, so step 6. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. What did I do? You know what I did? I messed up a little tiny bit on these. These two didn't need to be with the 35 millimeter, but that's okay. No problem. They were actually supposed to be the long screws here. But this kind of worked out because now my things are all situated in place for the other screws. So these ones are going to be these long double screws that screw in there. And it happened to turn out that things are already ready to go there. So you can just screw these in. Like that. And then the same thing, I can just undo this one real quick and my hole's already re-lined up so I can screw it in with one of these. So that worked out pretty good. Now we're going to have 16 and 19 and number 20. And we got one number 4 for the 20. So 20 is going to go right here. Put our screw up through there, and we're just going to tighten that one down. And these, I can just put my finger under there and tighten like the other one. All right, that is really good. Then I'm going to have 16, which is this tall one here. Let's get a screw right down on that. And the next one is 19. It's this one right here. These are different heights. 19, that's 16. That's correct. All right. That is snug. Tighten that on there nicely. There we go. Yeah. That is really good on there. They're solid. Okay, that is number 6. So number 7, we're going to get number 8 here. And it's going to have a number 20 on it. Imagine. And that's going to go in the middle hole here. So we're going to put that screw there. That 20 is going to go on here like this. Step number 7. And it looks like this has a little harness here. You can secure this to your wall. That's going to go up on top here. And this is going to be secured on there with 2 of these guys. All right, so we're going to get our hole. That's going to go down through the top, just like that other one. And that's going to go down into there. Okay. And on top of that is going to be 22. It's 22. It's going to go right on top of here. And I'm just going to hand screw that one just like this. That's nice. Okay. That's on there. That's on there. And it looks like in the back, we have another 20. I think go right next to this one. If I'm not mistaken. Solid. Okay. Next, step 9 is we're going to take number 12, this little goodie right here, and that's just going to go right on top here, just like a steering wheel. Little cat perch right there. Here we are. Okay. And then step 10. I'm going to add some more stuff here real quick. All right. So we're going to take number, our other little cat box. That's going to go right up on top there. We have the 3 holes here on the bottom, and those are going to line up with these 3 right here. And we should have these 3. I'm going to push them through the top or through the bottom first. And that way it'll be easier to line them up. So there's 1. There's 2. And then there's 3. I can line those up. My holes over here. And that one right there should go right in. Okay, there's 1. I'll just tighten that enough just so it's not going to come out of there. And then tighten that one up a little bit. And there we go. Make sure you got them lined up and at least screwed in a little bit before you tighten them down. You don't want to just tighten down one real tight and then find that you can't get your other screw in there. So I know Booger's going to love this little spot. It's going to be his little hidey hole. I already know. He's really going to enjoy this. Okay, all right, let's get that one tightened down. Okay, and then we're going to tighten it down with the other part here. Make sure it's nice and snug. So this feels actually really sturdy. I've had a cat's had another cat house before, and it's more like cardboard or whatever. This feels like it's pretty strong. Like I don't have to really worry about over tightening these. It seems like it's not going to matter if I really crank down on this, which is kind of comforting. The cats can be a little tough on stuff, so should be good. All right. There's one more to go. All right. Let's snug this one down just a little more. There we are. Okay. It is solid. And we got a couple more to go here. Step 11. I'm going to take a couple number 4s. And this one's going to line up with that. So this comes up at the bottom right here. And we'll unscrew that. Number 17 is going right on top of there. And same thing with this one. Just kind of hold the screw with your hand. And then you can tighten this down like this. Man, I don't have to worry about over tightening that. Just really solid. Okay, so I'm looking for that one. This is 21, and that's right over here. Find a hole right there, and tighten that on there. It's really quite tall. As tight as I can do it right there. Solid. Okay. And next, we have number 11, which can go on the top there. Okay, man, this is a pretty tall one here. Number 11 is going to go in the back. Number 11 is going to go right here. That's going to attach just like that. Whee! Turn that around. And the cats can go on it like that. Okay, even has little cat ears on there. That's cool. And this is number 12. This one's going to go right like that. Man. All right, that is solid. And last but not least, they gave us an extra screw. But then we have this, a wall anchor. So if you are going to make this permanent, take your wall anchor, and if you have like a 2x4, you could screw this right in the 2x4, like right about here. We're going to have a 2x4. So you would just anchor that into the wall. So the cats are jumping on it. They're not going to fall or anything. So that's pretty cool for security there. So let's get the cats out and see what they think about this. I think they're really gonna like it, guys. This is quite solid and feels like heavy duty. I know they got two little pom-poms for the cats here, two little hidey holes for them to go into, nice little place for them to stick their paws out, a little ramp so they can jump up on here, a little bed up here. So I think they're gonna have a lot of fun. All right, let's get the cats out and see if they want to play. He is having a lot of fun on here. Get it, Thomas. Get it, kitties. Want to go inside? They're really enjoying this. Boogie, you want to go in the hole? Get it, Thomas. Good kitty. Get it. Get it, Thomas. And little scratching post. They're really having a lot of fun here. Thomas, go get it. You can go inside. Go play with your brother. All right, my friends. So cat approved. And it's sturdy. Wow. Booger's really crazy. He's having a lot of fun. Oh no, he's falling. Okay, Boogie. Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, there he goes. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. All right, one more video. I just had to put this in there. Look at little Thomas. They really like those. I thought those would break easily, but they're pretty strong. They got a long metal tab that's holding them on there, and elastic cord though. So cats play pretty rough, but these guys are pretty durable. Look at that. Good job, Thomas. He's got it. All right, friends. We'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching this video.